everyone, it's Sandra from Anna's Flowers here. We're going to chat a little bit about essential oils. This month, May, is Lyme Disease Awareness Month, so we would like to talk about TerraShield. TerraShield is a blend of several essential oils that doTERRA has put together that work primarily for the creepy crawlies and flying insects that tend to be pesky at this time of year. So you could use TerraShield in several different ways. You could spray it on yourself, you could spray it around your doorways, window frames, things like that to keep the insects out and away from you. You could use the essential oil in your diffuser to diffuse while having dinner or sitting outside trying to enjoy the nice outdoors while the mosquitoes are flying around. So TerraShield ends up being family friendly. It's good for children, pets even. Caesar Milan, the dog whisperer, also recommended using TerraShield on your pets. So what he suggested was spraying it on your pet's legs and their tail area. You could spritz it in your hand, rub your hands together and apply to their ears, and just keep away from their mouths and their eyes. May is Lyme Disease Awareness Month. Due to the weather change, being nice outside, and ticks and other insects love to flourish during this time of year. So it's a perfect time to use doTERRA's TerraShield to prevent getting bitten by these insects. So apply them directly to your wrists, ankles, and any exposed skin while you're outside, and the bugs will stay away. TerraShield is a safe, natural alternative to regular pest spray that you would use while you're camping. It's safe for children and pets. We carry both sizes, the 13 ml spritzer that's already pre-formulated to apply directly to your body, and the 50 ml essential oil. This one runs at $19.99 and the spritzer is $34.99, both of which we carry in the store. So we hope to see you soon.